Alright guys, so I have made the coolest invention yet. Got my hammock to a tree on this side and to my boom on this side. So I'm going to show you why. Wireless remote, baby. I got the hammock back there. River is right down there. You can see it right there. But I got this new runner up for the dogs so they can run out here and I don't have to worry about them running into the other campsites. But I'm all the way back in the back. The park is all the way up there. So I'm like the farthest you can get from the park. And I just get on my scooter and ride up there. About 6 feet up in the air.